morning, how are you today? Today I am doing the Patreon rewards. It's always exciting on the 4th of every month. I get to do lots of packing so that I can send out lots of goodies to my Patreons. And I've got all the stuff I need for today's packing already on my table. I've got my info sheets, which I send out with every package. Just says what kind of items people are getting on each tier. I have my main painting. This month I went for monochrome because I wanted to play with India ink. So these are both done with India ink. This is the normal painting and this is the extra painting that the $50 tier people get. And then we have a whole load of indigo dot cards. I made loads this month. And then I have my return labels. And then this is my $50 tier extra reward for this month. It is handmade sketchbooks out of Archer's hot press paper. It's exactly the same in layout as my sketchbook that I've been using for the Vlogmas. So it has all this fold out pages like so, and there's even big fold out pages as well. It's exactly the same layout. My sketchbook is in Archer's cold press, whereas this sketchbook that I'm going to be sending out is made with hot press paper, and that's because about 3 months ago I sent out the same sketchbook but made with Archer's cold press paper. So I thought it'd be fun for my patrons to see the difference between the two papers and see which one they prefer. Then down here I have all my labels, my custom labels and my ML labels and my stamps. This one has my item so that I don't have to write watercolor samples 50 times. My date stamp, and then I have a wide range of envelopes that are falling over each other. These do not stack well, but yeah, I have different sizes of envelopes to send to different tiers. So let's get started with this packing.
Christmas lights are shining oh so bright everywhere in this little town on this special night. And here we are in the car on our way back home to be with those we love the most, guided by a single star. This is the magic of Christmas. This is the magic of love. Wherever we are, near or far, it's that same star that leads, and that's the magic of Christmas to me. I've walked before. It rings with the most welcoming chime, and every year when I come back here, this heartfelt feeling goes right through the ceiling. to me.
Packages ready to go to the post office. It's all grouped into different weights and the destination countries. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single Patreon, not just the people that have signed up for the physical rewards, but also the digital rewards. Without your support, I would never be able to do this as a full-time job, especially with my bipolar getting in the way. It kind of makes me only be able to work part-time, but because of your support, I am able to carry on with the work and be able to afford art supplies to make really awesome, cool new series about paints. Every time I finish packing, I take a moment to take a look at the number of packages and how every single one of these packages is a person who is supporting me tremendously. So thank you so much. I'm now going to take this to the post office, so thank you so much for hanging out with me while I packed your packages, and I hope you get this in time for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.